It was fair, 67 degrees, wind southwest at 9 miles an hour. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Atlanta listening area. Today, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the morning, then sunny in the afternoon. Highs around 70. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tonight, clear. Lows around 40. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thanksgiving Day, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. North winds up to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday and Friday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-60s. Lows in the mid-40s. Saturday and Saturday night, showers.
I'm catching this, whether I like it or not.
In the mid-60s. Lows in the lower 50s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers.
Damn. Here we go.
Emergency warning system from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Atlanta listening area. Today, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the morning, then sunny in the afternoon. Highs around.
Go ahead and shut these off already.
West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tonight, clear. Lows around 40.
This one's siren really isn't that loud.
Winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thanksgiving Day, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. North winds up to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday and Friday night.
Alright, well that's... Now we've heard this thing's siren tone. So as you can see, it has the LED at the top. It's beautiful, isn't it? Not really. It's actually really fucking scary. But yeah, this one, as I've said, it has a pretty quiet siren. I'm surprised anybody be able to hear that. I can't self-activate that, nor this. Like, I've tried doing a self-activation with this, but I don't know how to. But I guess that required weekly test was somewhat a success. Wait, let's see. Yep. That one passed. That one passed. That one failed. I had to activate it. This one definitely passed. Any unrecognized messages? No unrecognized messages here. But we got a weekly test on this one. All we have is a required weekly test in effect. Well,
The current time is
I don't know why.
standard time.
There's a lot of lag with that. Anyways, that's all for this weekly test. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.